What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to A Better Avenue. I'm Darius McCombs, and over the last year, I lost over 140 pounds. One of the biggest reasons I was able to stay consistent wasn't because I stopped enjoying food. It was because I learned how to make a healthier version of the foods I already love. Throughout this journey, I've been creating recipes using whole food, plant-based ingredients with a focus on simple meals, fresh produce, and better choices. My goal is to show you that eating healthier doesn't have to be boring, expensive, or complicated. Every recipe that I share is a part of the lifestyle that helped me transform my health. So if you're looking for meals and recipes that's full of flavor while supporting your health journey, you're in the right place. Let's get to cooking. I'm ready to make some pickled cucumbers. Wash them up, make sure they ain't dirty. We got our cucumbers nice and washed. We can get ready and cut them into spears. I'm also add in a jalapeno, some fresh garlic, peppercorn, some red pepper flakes, some mustard seed, sea salt, white vinegar, a little maple syrup, and some fresh dill. Now I'm put my pickles in the spears. Got my pickles cut into spears. I also decided to make some into pickle chips. And we're finna prep our jalapeno, our onion, and our garlic. Got everything prepped. Now we're finna start putting our ingredients in our jars and load our cucumbers into the jars.
I used to pray for this shit. Know some niggas dreams about it, but ain't make it to this. Still a hard head, but hard time, discard quit. Know these niggas wanna see me dead, so I keep mine while all my cars in. And when I'm out, I got it with me. And I know some niggas who done shot a 50, but ain't never touched a 50.
We're gonna work on our brine. Alright, we're using 3 cups of water and 3 cups of vinegar. Got all our seasons, our white vinegar and our water, mix, and bring it to a light boil. Get ready to pour it into our pickle jars. Gonna let it cool. Then we'll put our lids on and refrigerate it for the next 2 days. Got our homemade pickles in the brine. Got our pickle chips. Without all the extra ingredients that we don't need. Ain't got no chemicals. It's just natural, whole foods. Good for your body. Yo, it's been 2 days. Being that I posted the first video a day later after I made them. But it's been 2 days in the refrigerator, back with the pickles. Finna see what they came out like. This first I'm gonna try the pickle chips. So let me shake it up. Get them seeds and everything. Stir it up. Not too spicy. It's fire, actually. It got a little hint of spice to it. I think I taste a little garlic. It's nice. It's nice. Nice combination. Still got a good crunch to it.